Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers, getting ready to head out to the pool. It's pretty warm today, but I wanted to give you a little heads up because yesterday we were driving around Montepulciano. We saw a lot of police out there and Carabinieri and whatnot, and we're like, what's going on, you know? And there was a lot of question marks, but what's happening is they're pulling a lot of people over checking documents, and that means all your documents have to be in order. Now, if you're an American, make sure you have your international driving license or permit or whatever, along with your regular driver's license. You have to have both of them together. In addition, if you're not, if you're living here and you own your car, you need to make sure that Revisione is in order. And that is the thing where every 2 years you have to take it to a special station, Auto Centro or something like that, and get it checked out. They check over everything in your car, the brakes, the steering, everything. And then they issue you a stamp. And that has to go in your documents, in your car, and have that with you all the time. If you don't have that, there's a fine. Now, they don't, impound your car or anything like that, and it doesn't affect your insurance, from what I understand. Check it out on your own. But it is a pretty hefty fine. So just be aware, make sure all your documents are in order, and there you go. See you soon.